General anarchy continues in our great city of Sodom, Babylon, and Egypt, as rioters burn and pillage to get their way. Violence follows, as discontent seek satisfaction, and the entitled take what is theirs. Rival gang members clash, as law enforcement, ordered to stand down due to alleged social prejudices, is powerless to intervene. Negotiations end in an uneasy stalemate. Intoxicated citizens of our great city continue to lose control on our streets tragically after a night's reveling in the social delights of our city's daily life. One informant reported that before this morning's fatality of fellow partygoers, he recalled them commenting, "You only live once. He who dies with the most toys wins." You only live once. He who dies with the most toys wins. Unsafe drug use in our public schools continues to rise despite the programs and education on drug safety. The superintendent of schools on site was noted to comment, "What we need is more programs for the kids." The abortion industry takes a financial hit due to decrease of participation. Millions of new citizens cite the financial costs interfere with their right to choose. Planned Parenthood would not comment further. Growing animosity in our great city over those who disrupt the peace and tranquility of our daily lives with outlandish references to a God in the Bible who calls our social customs sinful. More infighting and intrigue in our city's political landscape as voting continues. Our city council competing on who will vote themselves the greatest salary increase. Violence on the border as terrorists continue to infiltrate and seek to join our cultural melting pot. On a more animated and merry note, thousands join in to celebrate one of our city's great cultural attractions, our annual Pride Parade. Participants celebrate from all over our great city. Even the children get a front row seat. Controversy continues in our city's great institutions as the private lives of notable clergy begin to unravel. Attitudes of distrust grows as some begin to withdraw from age-old institutions. The World Church responds with a more inclusive approach, embracing the culture at large. Uncertain financial times loom ahead as the economy faces yet another downturn. Employment prospects decrease as cost of living continues to rise. As world leaders address citizen fears with hope and encouragement, high-level negotiations continue. Roundtable committees are formed, and solutions to the overarching problem are being formed and developed as we speak. Solutions, one that will ensure the general welfare of all the citizenry of our great city. From the poorest to the richest, social justice finally being achieved in our time.